assembly whilst we're in this lockdown. Can't wait to have you all back on Monday. You're going to be dazzling. Right, so what have we got going on this week? Well, Ava has improved her confidence in reading over lockdown and has now reached 100 nights of reading in her diary. She's also written a beautiful story this week. That is fabulous. Can you bring the story in so that we can have a look? Etta is keeping going with her learning even on the days when it's been hard and showing great determination with her handwriting and reading. Well done, Etta. I'm loving the stamina. Lily has tried her best in everything she has done with her lockdown learning. She's been trying super hard with her spellings and enjoying her reading. Fabulous. And Reggie, he has been amazing with his homeschooling. He's tried his best with everything and has come a long way and grown in confidence. What absolutely fabulous people you are.
Fantastic, and we've got some more. We've got Annabella. You have amazed your mummy during lockdown and she is so confident now with her phonics and doing so well with her diagraphs. So well done, Annabella. Mummy has loved doing home learning with you. I think she's going to miss you. Lenny, your reading and writing has come on so much during lockdown. You've even gone up 2 book bands. Mummy and Daddy are really proud of you too. And Lyra, you've been trying so hard with your reading and you've reached 125 nights in your diary. That is a lot of reading.
That's brilliant.
And last but not least, we've got Logan, who's been building a monster truck arena for his art lesson and working hard on his handwriting and maths. Well done, everybody. We look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Have a great weekend and see you bright and early.
Bye. See you soon.